The Dow Jones Industrial Average down more than 268 points. Let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE for more details. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, and we saw some heavy losses on Wall Street Thursday. And in fact, right near the close, the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling below 10,000 for the first time since November 6. However, the Dow managed to recover just above that to close at 10,002. But we're looking at some pretty interesting territory. A lot of traders really talking about that 10,000 mark. The S&P down the most since April on some disappointing earnings. Also, we had initial jobless claims that rose to the highest level in 7 weeks, and that cast a lot of doubt about tomorrow's jobs report. And the question is, will it show any improvement? Some money managers saying that today's initial jobless claims number definitely a disappointment because everyone has been looking for a recovery this year, and what we're realizing, it just may not be as strong as expected. Now, some of those disappointing earnings that weighed on the market included MasterCard. They had their biggest plunge since May after the company lowered its longer-term revenue forecast and posted a quarterly profit that fell short of analysts' estimates. Kellogg also released some earnings that fell short. Kellogg saying fourth quarter profit declining 1.7%, hurt by a slump in the food service industry, and also a shutdown of its Eggo waffle factory because of heavy rains in the southeast last quarter. And material stocks taking a hit once again. Stocks like Freeport-McMoRan losing ground as prices for copper, gold, silver, and even coal fell after that weekly jobless claims report raised a lot of concerns about growth in the economy. And heavy losses for the industrials. Boeing fell after the company and Airbus both saying they expect a slump in demand to continue for at least 2 more years. One winner, though, was Cisco. It was actually the only gainer in the Dow Jones Industrial Average after the company predicted higher sales growth as customers resumed spending to deal with surging data traffic. And we do have some earnings coming out before the opening bell on Friday. Those include Simon Property Group, Weyerhaeuser, Tyson, also Aetna and Beazer Homes. So something to look out for on Friday, along with that monthly jobs report as well. Back to you in the studio, Pim.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the NYSE.